Just drink 1 cup of this tea, your belly fat will melt completely. The first ingredient of this recipe is flaxseeds. Flaxseed is great for weight loss because it contains 2 essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6, which cannot be produced in your body. These essential fatty acids can reduce inflammation in your body and balance your metabolism. The metabolism is how quickly the body is burning calories. So, a stronger metabolism can help you lose belly fat quicker. Another weight loss benefit of flaxseeds is fiber. Fiber can make you feel full for a longer time and eat less, thereby reducing your calories intake and you will lose weight faster. Now, prepare half a cup of flaxseeds and pour it into a blender. Blend until flaxseeds are round and resemble powder. Not many people know that ground flaxseeds are more effective for losing weight than whole flaxseeds. This is because the whole flaxseeds have a tough outer hull, which makes it difficult for our digestive system to absorb all the nutrients present in them. Furthermore, ground flaxseeds are more effective for complete nutrient absorption. We will use 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseeds for the recipe. The rest, you put in an airtight jar and store it in the fridge in 1 week. Next, you need to prepare cinnamon. Cinnamon can help you lose weight in many ways. Firstly, cinnamon is high in fiber. Therefore, it can promote a feeling of satiety and fullness and help you reduce food cravings. Secondly, cinnamon can boost the metabolism, since your body uses more energy to process the spice than it does for other foods. Cinnamon is also said to increase insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar. Both are key to losing weight and controlling type 2 diabetes. We will use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder for the recipe. Add it into the bowl of ground flaxseeds. Next, prepare a saucepan and pour 1½ cup of water. Bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, pour ground flaxseeds and cinnamon powder into the saucepan and stir well. Simmer the mixture for about 5 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. When it is cooled down, strain the liquid through a fine sieve. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten the tea, or you can add lemon juice. Your weight loss tea is ready. You should drink it once per day to lose belly fat. But don't drink this tea if you are pregnant or breastfeeding.